What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I want to show you how to directly upload files from Canva like this image to Pinterest directly. Now normally if we're doing it the other way, which is totally fine, what we do is we go to Canva, we create the image first like this one, then we download it, then we go to Pinterest, we go to this area, we click on create pin, then we do this and we upload that file that we saved, and then we fill out the information and we publish the pin. That's the way it's normally done, and if that works for you, totally fine, keep doing that. But this approach that I'm going to show you just really cuts a lot of these corners, because I can directly take this image from this site, which is Canva, and upload it directly to Pinterest without having to go through all those other steps, which can save you maybe a minute, maybe two off each pin. And if you're making a dozen plus pins every day, or hundreds or thousands of them over a week or month's time, then this can really potentially save a lot of time. So how do you do it? Well, let's say we're taking this image right here and we want to upload it directly to Pinterest. What you need to know is you need to have a Canva account and a Pinterest account set up, and they need to be linked together. And you can actually do that here. So what you do is you click on Share, then you click on See All, and then you scroll down to where it says Social, and you'll see the Pinterest icon right here. You're going to click on this. Now here's the thing. In my particular case, it says choose a board because I already connected my account. So these boards that are popping up are actually my boards that I created in Pinterest, which are right here. So that's why I'll be able to see them. They'll be in alphabetical order, so I'll be able to select them here. So in your case, if you're not connected yet, instead of this that you see right now with the list of your boards, you're going to see a connect to Pinterest button. You're going to click on that, then you're going to want to verify your account, and then after that you'll be able to see your board. So I'm just letting you know, if you haven't done this, that's what you should expect. But once you're done with that once, you won't see that thing again. But let's suppose that this image belongs to, let's see, the 63 national parks list. Doesn't matter. Then I'll see the title, I'll see the added description. This page 27 is actually like the 27th image I created. You can select more than others, but in this case we're just going to take this one that's over here, which is on page 27. So you don't need to change that. You're going to put in the title, you're going to put in the description, scroll down, and this destination URL is which link on your website you're sending this pin to. So be sure that you select that correctly. And then you're going to click on publish now, and that's it. That is all that there is to it. You can also select this button over here which says schedule to publish later, which will be able to let you know at what time you can publish it on Pinterest. So let's say I want to publish it a day out from now, and I click on the 22nd, and then I select the time. Maybe I want to do this at 7:00 p.m. or something, and that's it. That's all I would do. I would click on done, and then tomorrow at 7 p.m. this would be published as a pin with all that information that I added in the tabs over here. So that's it. That is all that there is to it. That's how you do it. And if you have any questions, let me know. The last thing I'm going to finish up this video on with is that if it's your first time on this channel, welcome. My name is Vitaly, and I'm someone that covers the subject of making money online business, Pinterest, traffic generation, succeeding with blogging, because I do that for a living. In the case of Pinterest, I actually have this website that I steer my Pinterest traffic to, and it's something that I make money from. So in the last 30 days this blog has generated this much money. I also do affiliate marketing on this blog, which also is another income source that's not related to this, but it does add to this source. And I teach this stuff across this channel. So if you like this content, like, share, and subscribe. But if you're watching this now and you're maybe looking to create something like this, a website that gets traffic from Pinterest and from other areas and makes money, then I would recommend that you check out the link that I'm going to leave below this video, which will be to a free beginner case study that breaks down this whole process of how this is done, how you can do this with an action plan that's provided for you. It's free, it's beginner friendly to get started with, so check that out if you're interested. But I will also leave a playlist to other Pinterest videos that I've created, including getting more traffic from this search engine. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.